So friends, in this video lecture we are going to understand that how can we determine general solution of first order linear differential equation using separation of variable method. So let me tell you that when we have to use separation of variable method, when we can convert the linear differential equation into this form, then only we will use separation of variable method. Alpha x into dx plus beta y dy is equal to 0, where alpha x is the function containing x variable and beta y is the function containing y variable. Once we can convert the differential equation in this form, what we will do is we will integrate alpha x function with respect to x and beta y function with respect to y, and after integrating the solution we will get will be our general solution for first order linear differential equation. So friends, let's understand that how to use separation of variable method with the help of this example. So our first strategy will be that we will separate all the x variable with dx in the product and all the y variable with dy in the product. So this will be x square y dy upon dx is equal to e to the power y. So it will become as dx upon x square equals to e to the power minus y dy. So we have form one x variable function with dx in product and y variable function in product with dy. Now what we have to do is we now have to integrate this 1 upon x square with respect to x and e to the power minus y into y with respect to y. So let's integrate it. So it will be minus 1 by x plus c, and when we will integrate it we have to apply integration by parts. Okay friends, so it will be y into minus of e to the power minus y minus of e to the power minus y upon minus 1 dy. So this will be r y minus y e to the power minus y minus of e to the power minus y, and this is our equation which we will get on right hand side. So now when we will solve it, the equation we will get will be minus 1 plus cx into e to the power y minus y minus 1 into x. So this will be our solution of this first order linear differential equation. Just what all we have did was we have separated all the x variable in product with dx and all the y variable product with dy, and after doing that what we have do is we just have integrated all the terms with respect to x and with respect to y, and after integrating we get our solution, right? So friends, let's do another question. dy y plus xy square dx minus 4x dx. So first of all we will take this term on right hand side, right? So it will be dy upon y minus of x will come common, and this will be y square plus 4 of dx. So now we will divide this term y square plus 4 on left hand side, because we want all the y variable in product with dy and all the x variable in product with dx. So when we will move it here, the equation will be dy upon y into y square plus 4, and this will be minus x dx. So what we will do is, now we will divide this 1 upon y into y square plus 4 into partial fraction. So let's see, upon y into y square plus 4 a upon y plus by upon y square plus 4, right? So we will multiply this y into y square plus 4 on the right hand side, so the equation we will get will be a into y square plus 4 plus b y square. So what we will do is, let's put y square as minus 4, right? Let's put y square as minus 4. So this term will be eliminated and we will get the value of b. So when we will do this, we will get 1 a into 0 plus b into minus 4. So b value we will get is minus 1 upon 4. So in the same way, we will determine the value of a also. Now what we will do is, now we will keep y square as 0, right? So when we will keep y square as 0, this term will be eliminated. So 1 equals to a into 4 plus b into 0. So a value we get is, a is equals to 1 by 4. So we got the value of a as 1 by 4 and value of b as minus 1 by 4. So now we can easily divide this into partial fraction and then we will directly integrate. So first of all we will integrate this equation and then we will do this. So dy upon 4 integration with r y, and this will be minus 1 by 4. B value is minus 1 by 4. So it will be y upon y square plus 4 is equals to minus x square by 2 plus c. So when we will integrate it, this will become 1 by 4 log y, and this will become minus 1 by 8 of log y square plus 4 is equals to minus x square by 2 plus c. So this equation is our solution of this first order linear differential equation. So friends, in this way we can solve any first order linear differential equation using separation of variable method only if in case we are able to convert that equation in this form, alpha x dx plus beta y dy, where alpha x is a function containing x variable only and beta y is a function containing y variable only. After converting it in this form, what we will do is, we will integrate alpha x function with respect to x and beta y function with respect to y, and the solution we will get will be our original solution of linear differential equation of first order. So friends, thank you.